It's pretty similar to a street racing. Caesar could manage multiple things at the same time, but actually he is a loser compared to the bus drivers. Driver can drive a bus, speak on the phone, count the money and give a change, and at the same time announce Hi, it's BlondeKyiv and today I'll show you a Kyiv shuttle bus service. In Kyiv we have a shuttle bus service. It's like a taxi with a special route. It's provided not by government but by a private firm. The government provides public transport like buses, trams, underground, trains. So today I want to show you this shuttle bus service, which we called here marshrutka. Most places where you can see shuttle buses are near metro stations. It actually doesn't have a time schedule, but intuitively you can find out how often they run. The idea of the bus service is to get as many customers in the bus as possible. That will be totally normal if you find yourself in the middle of fully packed marshrutka during the rush hour and the driver will still shouting to everyone, "There is plenty of space inside, just move!" Sometimes the bus can stay at the bus stop for 20 to 30 minutes until it is totally full. People often get angry because they often are late for work because of this. In every marshrutka you will see the capacity by seats and standing people. But the driver doesn't care, and no one controls the limits. For them, the more packed the bus, then better. In our country we call it coughing on the wheels, because the culture of driving is quite extreme sometimes. Usually it's a high speed, because among drivers of buses there is a competition, who will be the first and take more people at the bus stop. It's pretty similar to a street racing, especially on our roads when you will feel all the road holes and speed limiters. Also, some drivers pick people up not only at the bus stop, but somewhere on the way, and stops can be quite spontaneous, of course. Caesar could manage multiple things at the same time, but actually he is a loser compared to the bus drivers. Driver can drive a bus, speak on the phone, count the money and give a change, and at the same time announce the name of the next bus stop, and even eat seats sometimes. When he announces the name of the bus stop, you have to say yes if you want to go out, or say in advance where you would like to go. If not, you can miss it, because if no one wants to drop off, he will not stop and you will miss the stop. Sometimes there can be a conductor in the bus, but it is rare, because it's an extra money for the driver. So people have to pass the money through the other people in marshrutka. If you're lucky enough, you can get a change. So I highly recommend don't give a big banknote. If you want to stress the driver out, you can give him like 200 or 500 hryvnia in one banknote early in the morning. He will not be happy because he wouldn't have enough change, and if you're lucky you can have a ride for free, or he will kick you out. Передайте, пожалуйста. So welcome to Kyiv, and I will give you an amazing tour in shuttle buses. It's full of promotions as you would have in an amusement park. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. So see you next time.